Hey guys, I'm Nicole here at DIY and I'm just going to show you quickly how to change a blade on an Ozito battery operated saw. So the first thing we always want to do is take out the battery, and then on this particular model it actually comes with a little Allen key so that I can take off my blade. In order to stop this spinning so that we can unscrew it, just here there is a button that you hold down whilst you are using the Allen key. Okay, so on this ring here it says to tighten, I want to go clockwise, so we're going to go anti-clockwise to untighten. So I'm going to push down and give myself enough leverage, and you might need to just do it really tight at first, grab a really good grip, but once you get it going you'll be able to unscrew this. And once you've got it a little weight, you can use your hands. We are going to take off this piece as well. Now it might be intuitive to think that I need to bring the blade guard up in order to pull this out, but the blade guard actually holds this in place when it's actually spinning. So we need to keep the blade guard down and then maneuver this forward. There we go, and then now we can pop the blade guard up so that we can actually take out our blade. Let's take a look at the blade that I've chosen. So this is the 36 tooth. The more teeth you have, the cleaner cut you will get. It will just take a little bit longer to create that cut. So this Ozito blade is for both left-handed and right-handed saws. I did not know that you could get left-handed saws, but apparently you can. So if you're using a left-handed saw, face this side out. If you're using a right-handed saw, face this side out. Let's install this. So I'm going to pull my safety guard up, bring it in. Okay, I'm going to let go of my safety guard so I can sit it on there nice and flush. Then I can align my little block just here, hand tighten my screw, and I'm going to push down on my button again. Okay, and now we can tighten. Okay, all done. Now we can pop back on the battery and let it rip. Job done.